8 days ago, we had the privilege of meeting Danae, one of our newest customers and a family member of the Vantage Point family. She had an interesting request. She was looking for a reputable contractor in Kansas City that had the ability to completely tear off her roof and give her a new roof, take down quite a bit of rotted paneling, get her a new moisture barrier, which we of course used Hardy house wrap, flash it and install the Hardy trim with the blind nail fasteners, and flash per James Hardy installation audit requirements, which I show all my customers exactly how it works, because you can see some spacing there on the horizontal band board above any lights. You know, on the ground there you got to have at least a 2-inch exposure. So we dropped that deaf and ball dumpster. She gave us 8 days to give her a brand new roof, get her some brand new Hardy stucco with 4-inch bats. We got to do the 6-inch trim on the windows. And I said, well, we're always up to a challenge, and went out to the city and got the siding permit, which in Mission, Kansas you gotta have. Roof permit. You can see there this gutter flap. That's what they want, so that when it rains it's going to make its way off that wall. You see on a lot of people's homes where that moisture will go down there and cause some problems. Plus you have to have a 1-inch gutter termination per James Hardy installation and audit requirements. We got that 2-inch exposure there on the eave, you can see, and the flashing on all of our horizontal band boards. Gave her new gutter, got all that color matched. When we painted this prime stucco, James Hardy stucco with Sherwin duration. Figure that ought to hold it up for a long time. We got a 1.5 horsepower sprayer so that it doesn't get all clogged. And then we actually had to, the paint, you don't want it to go through the sprayer and blow out your sprayers, but it takes a really strong horsepower sprayer to be able to handle duration, because it's almost like rubber. So we're very proud of our setup here at Vantage Point Exteriors. If you're looking for a family-owned and operated company in the Kansas City area that's a James Hardy associated contractor, so we work hand in hand with James Hardy, doing everything the way that they want it. And you would like to deal with a company where you deal with the owners, where the buck stops, instead of a company with a salesman that gets your signature and gets on down the road, then here comes an installation manager and one of their sub crews. We proudly carry a $2 million workman's comp policy. Our Hardy installation crew is the longest running installation crew in the Kansas City area, actually by far. Ran by Dalton. We're very proud and blessed to be aligned with Dalton. So you really can't find anybody else that's going to do the job nearly as good as them. All the other companies, they may have a great sales pitch, but then they got to pull guys in that can somehow be able to manage this fiber cement, because guys, it's heavy stuff. It's not easy to work with. You got to have a diamond coated blade, and it's not easy. We got 4 sets of pump jacks to help the guys lift up and down the wall and do everything as efficiently as possible. It's intrusive when you get this kind of work done. You know, people out there at your house working and banging on the walls and stuff, and we want to get the job done right and get out of there as quickly as possible at the same time, which, you know, we have the right tools to kind of make that happen. So if you're looking for a family-owned and operated company here in the Kansas City area that specializes in exterior James Hardy pre-colored fiber cement and primed fiber cement, you can see these stucco panels right here. They also carry lap, you know, in 7, 6, 5, and 4-inch designer shingles, staggered or straight edge. They have Sierra 8 board and bat paneling. A lot of people like that. And we have the software where we can create the home. I take a picture of your home, we put it into our computer, and then we show you the different designs. You can see a lot of that different stuff on our YouTube videos and different social media sites that we use. But we're real lucky, and we're happy that Danae gave us the chance to help her out, and she sure is happy too. So if you guys can contact us anytime at vantagepointexteriors.com, vantagepointexteriors.com, or call us at 816-668-7240.